We read and hear about several cyber attacks and hacking threats regularly. Do you ever wonder who resists or combats these attacks and protects businesses? Well, the answer is ethical hackers. Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting video tutorial on Ethical Hacking Career by Simplilearn. In this video, you will learn about who is an ethical hacker, their job roles and responsibilities, the skills you need to possess to become an ethical hacker, their salaries, and much more. I'll also be asking few generic questions related to our topic. Please answer them in the comment section of the video. So let's get started with who is an ethical hacker. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, are computer experts who work with companies to prevent cyber attacks. They are professionals who identify the weak points and vulnerabilities in the security of a system that is prone to intrusion. Ethical hackers are crucial both for companies looking to protect their information and assets and for governments looking to defend people and shared infrastructure from offenders. Before we move ahead, I have a question for you people to answer, and the question is, what according to you is the most important skill for an ethical hacker? Please put the answers in the comment section of the video. We would be delighted to know your thoughts. Now we would also be covering some of the important skills for an ethical hacker in a few minutes, so stay tuned. Now, let's see what an ethical hacker does. A career as an ethical hacker includes hacking into a company's system to find vulnerabilities and loopholes that make the system weak. Ethical hackers develop scripts that are suitable for testing the vulnerabilities of the network. They act as a counterpart for illegal hackers and help in building the system more secure. Ethical hackers perform multiple penetration tests on the network of an organization. They conduct an in-depth research of the company system to recognize the possible penetration site and network structure. Next, ethical hackers scrutinize patch installation processes to ensure that the updated software does not introduce any vulnerabilities that can be exploited. Coming to the fourth responsibility of an ethical hacker. So an ethical hacker identifies and records security flaws and breaches. Ethical hackers also spot the areas requiring high-level security. And finally, ethical hackers meet clients' network owners to discuss the security system in place and create suggestions for necessary security upgrades. With that, let's look at the critical skills you need to become a certified ethical hacker.
If getting your learning started is half the battle, what if you could do that for free? Visit SkillUp by Simplilearn. Click on the link in the description to know more.
First is coding. Ethical hackers should have an excellent grasp of the various programming languages and understand the coding techniques to gain access to any software. It will help you understand the tools hackers develop to infiltrate a security system. Some of the popular coding languages ethical hackers need to know are Python, JavaScript, PHP, and SQL. Coming to the second skill, so ethical hackers should know the basics of different operating systems, specifically Linux, as it is more secure than any other operating system. Most web servers run on Linux operating system. Gaining access to this server to check for faults is another must-have skill for ethical hackers. Now they also need to understand how firewalls work as well. Coming to the third skill, so to become an ethical hacker, you must understand both wired and wireless networks. They must know networks like DHCP, NAT, and subnetting to investigate the different interconnected machines in a network and the possible security threats that this may create. Now moving on to the fourth skill, having good knowledge of wireless technologies like Wired Equivalent Privacy or WEP, Wi-Fi Protected Access or WPA, and Wi-Fi Protected Setup or WPS will help ethical hackers guard systems against sending information via hidden streams. Ethical hackers need to grasp how to write SQL statements for in-band, out-of-band, and blind SQL attacks, which can swiftly compromise a database operation and the data it holds. Cryptography deals with transforming a normal text message to a non-readable form during the transmission to make it incomprehensible for hackers. An ethical hacker ensures that conversation between different people within the organization does not leak. Now coming to the final skill, ethical hackers additionally require analytical thinking and problem-solving skills to succeed at this job. They should be able to reverse engineer security frameworks, come up with uncommon ways to break into a network. This also requires thinking outside the box. Now, companies across various industries hire ethical hackers for several job roles. So once you become a certified ethical hacker, you can get into multiple job roles. Let's look at a few of them. First, we have security analyst. The security analysts execute security systems to safeguard the organization's networks, data, and also help to maintain security standards. They document the security breaches and measure the damage caused. Security analysts also analyze the security issues thoroughly to identify the root cause. The second job role we have is penetration tester. So penetration testers conduct tests and purposefully try to exploit existing computer systems and software to identify and correct system weaknesses. They implement solutions to enhance data security and provide recommendations based on an assessment of hardware and software systems. The third job role we have for a certified ethical hacker is security engineer. So security engineers understand complicated technical issues and manage them with a fast-paced business environment. They also conduct proactive research to investigate security vulnerabilities and recommend suitable strategies. And finally, we have the job role of a security consultant. Cybersecurity consultants are highly in demand today and are amongst the heavily paid professionals. A cybersecurity consultant is responsible for protecting sensitive data that come from various aspects of the digital world. They evade security risks and prevent cyber attacks. Security consultants study security criteria or cybersecurity criteria, security systems, and validation procedures. Now, before we go further, I have another question for you people. So, which role do you think is the most exciting? Do let us know your responses in the comment section of the video. We would be glad to hear from you. Now, moving ahead. With the increasing number of cyber attacks across the globe, ethical hackers are in demand like never before. Very recently, a United Nations official warned that cybercrime went up by 600% during the COVID-19 pandemic. As per the government data presented in Parliament, India alone reported 1.16 million cyber attacks in 2020. That's almost 3x times more than 2019. Now, according to Cybersecurity Ventures, cyber threats will cost nearly $6 trillion in 2021. Cybersecurity Ventures also expects global cybercrime costs will grow up by 15% per year over the next 5 years and reach $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. Now, there is a huge shortage of ethical hacking professionals globally. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the information security industry is expected to grow 32% in the next decade. Another report by Cybersecurity Ventures tells that the world will have 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs by the end of 2021. According to a report by the Data Security Council of India, the Indian cybersecurity services industry is expected to grow to about $7.6 billion in 2022 and would be worth $13.6 billion by 2025. So companies are looking for trained ethical hackers who can protect their networks and safeguard them from potential threats. A few of the industries that heavily rely on ethical hackers are healthcare companies, financial institutions, energy companies, and government agencies. With ample opportunities lying ahead, what's stopping you from starting a career in cybersecurity? Do learn the necessary skills discussed in this video and become a certified ethical hacker. To learn more about the CEH certification exam, click on the link in the description below. Now, let's move to the final section of this video on ethical hacking career. We have ethical hacker's salary. According to salary.com, an ethical hacker in the United States earns an average salary of $101,750 US. In India, an ethical hacker can earn nearly 6,29,000 rupees per annum. This salary range will vary based on your experience and skills. And with that, we have reached the end of our video on ethical hacking career. I hope this video was interesting and useful. Don't forget to answer the questions asked in the video. Thank you all. Stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.